Most people believe their body slowly breaks down over time. That aging means damage. That once something goes wrong, it's permanent. But here's a biological truth most people never hear. Your body is constantly repairing itself every single day. Right now, we are often taught to view the human body like a machine that slowly rusts until it eventually stops working. However, biology tells a much more inspiring story. As you read these words, your system is in a state of frantic, beautiful renewal. Your skin replaces itself roughly every 30 days. Your gut lining, the critical barrier between your internal world and the external environment, is completely overhauled every few days. Even your skeleton, seemingly solid and static, is being broken down and rebuilt cell by cell in a process that never sleeps. If the body is so efficient at repair, why do we feel the rust of aging? Why do we experience chronic fatigue, joint pain, and brain fog? The answer usually isn't that the body has forgotten how to fix itself. It is that the repair shop is missing the necessary parts. Think of your body as a high-end mechanic's garage. The mechanics, your enzymes and biological systems, are ready. And the repair manual, your DNA, is open. But if the delivery truck carrying the spare parts never arrives, the repair cannot happen. Today, we will look at 3 ordinary foods that provide the parts your body needs to maintain its natural state of renewal. VB.VN, Vietnam's leading text-to-speech solution. 1. Eggs. The gold standard of structural repair. For decades, eggs were unfairly demonized. However, modern science has vindicated them, placing them at the top of the list for nutrient density. In nutrition science, egg protein is used as the reference food, against which all other proteins are measured. This is because eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in the exact ratios the human body needs for tissue repair. Beyond protein, the real magic lies in the yolk, the most misunderstood part of the egg. The yolk is one of the world's richest sources of choline. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a vast majority of adults are choline deficient. This is a problem because choline is essential for maintaining brain cell membranes and producing neurotransmitters responsible for memory and learning. Furthermore, the old fear that eggs clog arteries has been largely debunked. Large-scale reviews, including those in the Journal of the American Medical Association, show that for most healthy individuals, the dietary cholesterol in eggs does not significantly raise cardiovascular risk. Instead, eggs provide the fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E and B12, that act as the oil for your body's repair machinery. VB.VN, Vietnam's leading text-to-speech solution. 2. Greek yogurt and kefir, the inflammation command center. If eggs provide the building blocks, your gut health determines whether those blocks actually reach their destination. It is a staggering biological fact that over 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. Therefore, the state of your gut microbiome dictates your body's level of systemic inflammation. Inflammation is the enemy of repair. When the body is constantly fighting fires in the gut due to poor bacterial balance, it cannot focus on rebuilding tissue elsewhere. This is where fermented dairy like Greek yogurt and kefir becomes essential. These foods are packed with live beneficial bacteria, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Studies published in Nature Reviews Gastroenterology show that these probiotics strengthen the gut lining, reducing leakiness and preventing inflammatory compounds from entering the bloodstream. By lowering systemic inflammation, you allow your body's repair processes to work faster and more efficiently. A critical tip: always choose plain, unsweetened versions. Added sugar is a primary disruptor of gut bacteria, which can effectively cancel out the benefits of the probiotics. 3. Bananas. Nerve, muscle, and fluid support. Bananas are often dismissed as a simple snack, but they serve a vital functional role in the repair cycle through potassium. This overlooked mineral is an electrolyte required for every single muscle contraction and nerve impulse in your body. It is also the key to heart rhythm stability and fluid balance. Text-to-speech platform by VB.VN. When potassium levels are low, the body experiences stagnation, muscles cramp, nerves fire poorly, and fatigue sets in. But bananas offer more than just minerals, they provide prebiotic fiber. While the probiotics in yogurt are the good bugs, the prebiotics in bananas are the fertilizer that feeds them. To maximize the benefits of a banana, it is best to pair it with a protein or a healthy fat, like an egg or a dollop of yogurt. This slows down the absorption of fruit sugars, providing a steady stream of energy to the cells without the inflammatory blood sugar spikes that can hinder the healing process. Food is information, not just calories. The shift in perspective we must all take is this: food is not just fuel, it is information. Every time you eat, you are sending a chemical signal to your body. You are either telling it to stay in defense mode or begin the repair process. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It doesn't want to break down, it is programmed to survive and thrive. When you consistently provide it with the right signals, high-quality proteins from eggs, gut-supporting probiotics from yogurt, and nerve-stabilizing minerals from bananas, your body responds quietly, powerfully, and efficiently. Aging does not have to be a story of inevitable decay. By understanding the biological truth of constant repair, you can turn your body back into the high-functioning repair shop it was always meant to be. Start tonight. Your body is ready to get to work.